Hi there. This is going to be an experiment. This is a DIY. I have a peace wreath right here. It's a metal form or aluminum, whatever you want to call it. I'm using these hula hula to do it with. You need a glue gun, and I'm going to use this for a tie up the top. So hopefully you can see me okay. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna do the green on the outside. Oh, also I got some of these clamps if I need to clamp it. And I have this so I don't burn my fingers. And if you're using hot glue, the best thing to use if you get your fingers burnt is you ought to have a cup of cold water. Whoops, get my foot in here. A cup of cold water, ice water, and dip it in as soon as you burn yourself. So if I need these, I'll have them. Okay, what I'm gonna do first, I've never done this before, so bear with me. These could all fall off for all I know. No, it doesn't seem like they're going to. I'm just gonna put some hot glue. I'm just gonna run a bead right like this. And I have a feeling I should put these on. Too close for comfort here. We're gonna start up here, and we're gonna go like this. Then we're gonna continue and try to run a longer bead down like this. Just like this. I'm just making this up. This is my own DIY, so I don't have a clue what I'm doing. I'm just letting you all know. We'll see what it's gonna look like, because green is my favorite color. As you all know, or some of you do know that green is my favorite color. I'm not sure if this will stand up outside, but I'd like to put it on a tree going up our driveway, but we shall see. See, that's one thing, when you use these, you can just kind of fluff it down. Whoops. I'm running out of a glue stick there. So I think what we're gonna do, I have these big long glue sticks. We're gonna put it right in. I love to let my imagination run but I have to think about stuff. I procrastinate for a while. Oh. Maybe I should have got my wreath stand. I have a stand that I used to make wreaths on. Maybe this ain't a good idea. Ah, there you go. Just gotta pay attention to how you're gluing. That's all. Wow, this is gonna cover pretty good. I left my Memorial Day tablecloth on because I knew I was gonna be doing some crafting, and I thought, hey, this will make a good cover for my table. And it is, so that's perfect. Look at that. Ta-da! Oh, I hope this comes out because I'm gonna love it. Now we're gonna have to cut another small piece. We'll cut it right here. We'll square it up a little bit more. Just like this. Hopefully I can join it together pretty good. And I'm gonna go a little bit more, because if I gotta go behind it, I'd rather go behind it than not have enough of it. I gotta push it here with my, oh, it's not gonna work. Gotta push it a little bit. There, get her going. There we go. There we go, James. There. did I stop? About right there. Wow. I'm gonna love this. Has anybody ever done anything? Oh no, what happened? Yeah, I'm gonna love it, all right. Look what just happened. That's all right. Never fear. We're gonna fix it, hopefully. Hopefully we're gonna fix it. For the next piece to go on. I shouldn't be getting excited too quick now, should I? Let's put a dab of Dewey right there. Just lift it up a little. Just like that. And we'll have to take all the glue off after. Just like that. I'm not sure what end I want to use. I think we'll use this. And then this time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over. I'm going to go over like this, just to make sure. I'm just going to stick it like that. Hopefully this will come out. No guarantees. But all we can do is try. Like I said, this is my DIY. I've never done this before. I'm just winging it. And that's just the way it is. What do you think? Needs to dry up a little bit right there. And that's this part. What do you think? Coming out pretty good, isn't it? Okay. Take the glue off here, where it needs to come off. We're going to put the blue on down like this. I don't know where to cut it. We'll cut it right here. We'll fold it over like that. And like, oh, see, there it goes again. Woohoo! Okay. We'll try to put it together with some glue. So you do know this will come apart. Ooh, yeah, mama. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hot, hot, hot. Where's that ice water I was talking about? We got glue. It's all right. It is what it is, right? Okay. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to come back and let this dry just a little bit. Well, I'm going to let it run. This is going to be longer than my normal videos, and it's going to take a lot longer to upload, but let's see what we can do here. We are going to do this. run a bead like this. Just like this. Owie, owie, owie. And we will have to take the glue off. I got a clip right here. And I got a clip right here. Just use these clips to help a little. Just like that. Hopefully they will help. I don't know. Yes, it did help. I want to make sure it's straight. So I may want to unclip it. Want it as straight as we can. Well, I'd like to have it as straight as we can. Looking pretty good so far. What you think? We got no room for error for these two, unless if there's an error, we're just gonna have to do a different color. That's all there is to it. That's all right. It is what it is, right? Oh, shoot. What did I just say? That's all right. No worries. We'll deal with it. Hopefully we can do that. Whoops. Push that in like that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that bell. You never know what's going to be on my videos, and neither do I. I just kind of wing it. I'm doing a couple ahead right now because I got an extremely busy few days coming up, and my aunt that's in the nursing home is not doing well at all. She's been put in hospice and they've got her on morphine. So I'll be traveling to see her and then traveling to see my parents. So it's going to be a little crazy for me for a few days, but I'll do the best I can getting videos out and keeping everybody updated. If you guys can keep my aunt in prayer, I would gladly appreciate that. There. We'll try to deal with that after. And just one more. And this will be my DIY on my piece frame. I guess I was lucky with the green one, huh? Now wasn't I? It didn't fall apart like this one. That's all right. It is what it is. Right? All right, we can fix it. Well, if we can't, we can try to fix it. Let's put it that way. All we can do is try. What I'm going to do, I'm already going to be over my minutes. It's going to be over 15, and so I might as well just slow down, and that's okay. I was trying to get it done in 15 minutes, but it's not going to happen. And let's see, we got to fix this one here. It's all right. Can only do what we can do. Owie, owie. And that is it. Right? right as ever ready, as they would say. I hope everybody else will try this if you haven't, or maybe you don't want to, but you could give it a try if you like it. And if you do, post a link down below on whatever hashtag I decide to put on it. And it would be just fun to see how many of you are gonna try it. I'd be anxious to see how many's gonna try it. It would be pretty cool. And then once this cools off really well, I'm going to insert a picture at the end so everybody can see with all the glue pieces taken off, because I did use a lot of glue. But I think it looks really pretty good. Pretty good just winging it. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Need a little extra right there. Not sure what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to play around with that. Play around with this. Try to clean it up a little. Push it in. Make it uniformed as the others. And like I said, I will take all the glue off and insert a picture at the end. Then I'm going to take a wire tie. I didn't know if I wanted the blue or the green. Well, I guess it's going to be green. Still pretty warm. Don't look bad. Everybody knows I like my piece. Don't look bad at all. I'm pretty happy with it. And then we're just going to go in here like this. And not sure where it's going yet. I'll just make a twist and then I'll cut it off and we can hang it up. And I will take all the glue off. Oops. I will take all the glue off and insert a picture and you can see it. I think it come out pretty darn good. Okay guys, please like, share, and subscribe and share my videos. You never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless, stay safe, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye now.